quilting friends, I'm Edita Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to our Mystery 2025. I am so excited for you guys, and today we are working on block number 4. Many of you are using our pre-cut kits. You can get them on our website at laundrybasketquilts.com, or maybe you're enjoying one of our half-yard bundle. Today bundle, I have it on my table, is from our Twinkle collection. It's so beautiful and so colorful. We have a lovely background fabric that goes with it, and that fabrics are from our Pebble collection. They go very well with any of our bundles. Pebble collection is a really good light collection. Today's fabric that I chose for you is a light and a beautiful yummy yellow with a delicate sparkle of yellow, and it's poppy seed collection. I'm working with the poppy seed fabrics because I want to inspire you with very fun and colorful option of the quilt. Today's block, we're going to cut our fabrics first. We're going to be cutting squares, and we're going to cut them in dark and then in light. You need to download the pattern from our website, and all the squares are 2-inch. 2-inch in dark and 2-inch in light. Now we also gonna be cutting rectangles, and I have my rectangle right here. We're gonna cut a rectangle in light, another one in light, and a one in yellow. This is the block that we're gonna make today, and lovely 9-patch with the side sashing, I call it. This block is so much fun, and 9 patches are so much fun to make. Let's do it together. We're gonna start by making our 9-patch. We're gonna lay the design, we're gonna sew it into 3 rows, and I love to chain sew, so I place my squares right sides together, stitch, then I flip it open right here, and then I place the next row of squares and stitch. Let me show you. I have it ready for you guys right here. Do you see? I have this stitch, and when I push my seam allowance, I push them towards the dark. Now it's time to push this side seam allowances. Now I need to press this towards dark and this towards dark right here. This is gonna be great. And notice I'm keeping all of them connected through my chain sewing. This is gonna be wonderful. Now the seam allowances are pushed in opposite direction. All that I'm gonna do is place the first row right sides together, and look at it. The threads are holding really nice, and what I need to do is either use a pin and pin it right here, or I can use a touch of glue. Let me show you how to use the glue. I can put a touch of glue just right there on those points, so that way when I place the rows right sides together, I can go ahead and stitch and everything stays exactly in place. This is wonderful. And nothing is gonna move because we use this touch of glue. Now I'm gonna stitch, flip it open, and do the same with this row right here. I have a 9-patch ready for you guys. Look how cute it is. Isn't that nice? So now in the back, all that I need you to do, if you would like to, you can open these areas and press it. So you can open those and press it, or you can go ahead and press in a one direction. I like opening those because it gives me really nice transition, and it's a little bit more flat than going pushing one way. Now next step, we're gonna be adding this rectangle. All right, so we have a rectangle, we have a little square, another rectangle. All that we're gonna do is take this, sew together, take this, place it right over, stitch, and then sew this to this. Look at that. Isn't that nice? So I'm gonna go ahead, open it up right there. This one was the rectangle on the side. Now if I push my seam allowance towards the light, I need to go ahead and push my seam allowance in opposite directions right here. And now easy, set, go. And again, if you would like to, this is a fun technique. You can go ahead and use just a dab of glue, just tiny bit. Just remember, when you're putting the glue, stay more to the edge so you are not under the needle when you stitching. You do not want to put a glue there because then it start getting a little bit messy, and we don't want that. The glue is just to hold it and perfectly in place, so when you stitch and press it open, you're gonna have a really nice transition. You're gonna be making those, and you're gonna make 8 of those blocks. Those are really fun and exciting. Look at this, isn't that nice? So once you make 8 of them, now you can go ahead to our website and look at where you place them into the quilt. This is another fun block that you can use it as a border. And I love just placing them one next to the other, just this way. Look at it. Isn't that lovely how it goes back and forth and transition really nice, and you can create a lovely border and use it in your quilt. The size of this unit is also 6.5 by 6.5, and please remember, when you finish your units, always finish up by placing your ruler right over and trimming it to exact size of 6.5 by 6.5, so all your blocks are nice and ready, set, go for your quilt. I hope you enjoy block number 4, and I can't wait for you to go and see how beautifully I use this block as a border in one of my favorite upcoming quilts, Log Cabin Quilt from our Sewing Bird collection. It's so cute, and that quilt could use a fun border. I wonder which one you like the best. We have 5 more options to go and 5 more mystery blocks to make together and create this beautiful quilt. I wish you happy quilting, and if you please would like to visit our website at laundrybasketquilts.com for any of your quilting needs. Happy quilting!